How to stop payment on a check at Capital One? Capital One's customer service number and inform them that you need to stop payment on a check. Be prepared to provide details such as the check number, the date it was issued, the pay's name, and the amount. Capital One may ask you to verify your identity for security purpose. This could involve answering security questions or providing account information. Once your identity is verified, provide Capital One with the details of the check you want to stop payment on, including the check number, amount, and pay. Capital One may charge a fee for stopping a payment on a check. Be sure to ask about any associated fees during your call. After you have completed the request, Capital One should confirm that the stop payment has been placed on the check. They may also provide you with a confirmation number for refunds. It's a good idea to follow up with Capital One to ensure that the stop payment request was processed successfully. You may also want to monitor your account to confirm that the check has not been cashed. Thanks for watching.